Pinocchio! Oh, Dumbo, my movie doesn't come until this year on Disney Plus. Ew! That's disgusting! You burped! What are you doing? You're not gonna fart, are you? Stinky Pete. Are you gonna watch a movie on Disney Plus? It's for you to decide. Lola, come here, you stupid lioness. Let's go. Pinocchio, Pinocchio, stop! Rue, you get over here. Oh no. Dumbo, it's not way the best. Pinocchio, silly. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Stop. That fucking Kool-Aid dude is gonna come. What's a Kool-Aid man, Zazu? You don't watch Kool-Aid. It's only like 2021. I'm Simba. I am an actual stuffed animal showing the tip of my penis. Simba, why do you have to say penis every time? Your friend looks a lot like a zombie. Of course she does. Why would she? I'm doing fine, Simba. I'm not pregnant. I'm not a pregnant cub. Would that cause collisions, Noah? I don't care if you make dirty porn references. Have you ever heard of Snow White's wicked stepmother, the Queen? I don't know who the wicked Queen is from Snow White. So now Snow White has a stepmother, but she danced herself to death. And moments after the Queen has died from Snow White, her magical mirror was shattered into 1,000,000 pieces. Gingerbread man, gingerbread man, gingerbread man, gingerbread man, gingerbread man, gingy. Now you don't punch me in the face, Gingy. It's too gore. It hurts other people. You might get arrested, or put into the hospital, or go to prison. You fudge. You hurt those stupid fudging clowns. We're gonna have an order or two with you. Sheriff Woody, what is it? Is it nothing? I don't care about having penises for Simba. Like indecent exposure. You mean like intensive exposure? I don't mean that. Is that your greatest competitor Simba is a lion. I really like Simba the way he is. He's still a cub. Well, he just grew up to be an adult. Well, in that case, he's a plush doll. Of course he is. I'm Sheriff Woody trying to help you. What am I gonna do with Simba? Well, Simba? I think I have to leave you alone. Oh, please, not with my penis showing. You know what that means, Simba? You're an animal. Like your girlfriend. You mean Nola and her virginity? Nola? I don't care about girls like you. 'Cause you're a lioness. I'm not Stinky Pete. That's Stinky Pete. Stinky Pete! What are you doing in this fucking room? I'm gonna fart on you, Nola. Stinky Pete? I don't care about you farting. I'm Stinky Pete. And I'm gonna steal your shoes. And you are not going to stop me, and Dumbo's not leaving. Where are you, Dumbo? Dumbo? Dumbo! Dumbo! There you are, Dumbo. Oh, hello. So what are you looking for? How do you know I was still here? Oh, yeah. I know what the problem is. Nothing's the problem, Dumbo. Of course. Nothing's the problem. You're gonna be just fine. Can you think of Peter Pan's dark origin story? You mean I haven't read the fairy tale Peter Pan and Wendy? Dumbo, who's Peter Pan? Peter Pan never grows up. I have not read his dark origin. And I don't know where Neverland is. Peter Pan's an angel, Captain Hook's a demon. Peter Pan pushed Captain Hook into the sea with the crocodiles. Because a crocodile bit his hand clean off. Now he has a hook instead of a hand. Are you gonna talk to Pinocchio, Dumbo? Well, Pinocchio doesn't come until this year. He looks perfect, like I do. Pinocchio looks good, but a little bit creepy. And now they have a new character. It was a seagull doll, Dumbo, like the ones from Finding Nemo. Nemo is a clownfish, Dumbo. Go get him! Nemo! Nemo! Come here, Nemo. Oh, I don't know what to do with myself, but I'm a clownfish. Nemo, why is your fin so small? Oh, it was lucky. It's not that small. But I trust Becky. You trust Becky, Nemo. Becky's eating a cup! This Dory is different than you. Who's Dory? She's a balloon tangfish. She's right here. Oh, Dory! Come on, Dory. Speak to Dumbo. Dumbo! Dumbo! Dory, I wish you can go with those, sea otters, because that's not their fish. What you say was correct, Dumbo. California. Oh, Dory, I think he's going to Florida. Florida is where they have, still, Dumbo, I hope Walt Disney World will have to have new rides sometimes in the future. But a Pinocchio ride will fit just the way in Italy, and Mulan will just be the perfect fit in China, Ratatouille in Italian, Mexico, Three Caballeros. Whew, can I think of other stuff that could be here? Alice in Wonderland should have been in London. This will be a perfect. Then Animal Kingdom will have Simba and Noah. Animal Kingdom still has Pandora. Animal Kingdom has dinosaurs. And Walt Disney World will have the perfect fit for Indiana Jones attraction. Tomorrowland will have some future Space Mountain. I hope the Princess and the Frog will still be there. Hollywood Studios will have Mickey Mouse, Toy Story, Galaxy's Edge, The Twilight Zone. That's a lot of Hollywood Studios. Rock and Roller Coaster, Tasmic. Are you thinking of Walt Disney World, Dumbo? Yeah, Walt Disney World is so bigger. Because now Universal Studios Florida is going to bring back all the attractions. Simba, he's dropping his phone! I got you, Dumbo. I got you. Hey, mister, you're gonna let your fingers slip on your phone. You need to be more careful with that thing, or you do that before you go to Walt Disney World before Pinocchio comes out. You're gonna see Finding Neverland next year, you're gonna see Lion King this year, you are going to be a busy man before you get the Polar Express on the Nintendo Cube, a Bambi plush doll, and Folksman Mickey Mouse puppets! They cost less money! I do not know why you want to see Pinocchio on Disney Plus in live action, not animated, because they got a new character, a seagull. And you need to have dinner pretty soon. And I do not know where you're gonna go out before your mother gets here. Oh, stop it. You're running out of time.